Hello, I just finished installing the Universal Trailer Light Converter Kit for my 2007 Toyota Camry Hybrid. I didn't see any videos specifically for the hybrid version of the Camry, so I figured I'd just take another one just to help people out. Everything's basically done in the trunk. First you have to remove the floor mat and the floorboard that cover the spare tire. You also need to remove this plastic trim piece covering the trunk, and basically to do that there are these hooks that need to be removed. They're basically held in by screws. I've already unscrewed them, so I'm just going to pop them out. You can put them off to the side, and after you do that you basically just pull this piece up and it comes right out. Remove it, put it off to the side. I also want to preface this by saying that I'm not responsible for any damage that you might do to your car trying to do this yourself, but it is pretty easy. It took me a few hours just to, I guess, reverse engineer everything to make sure everything's okay. But basically I used one of these kits. It's a universal kit that I picked up from AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts, Pep Boys, Walmart, Amazon. They all have it. This one specifically, the Hopkins 48895. You have to splice the wires, and the reason why we had to remove the plastic piece was because they hold this fabric in place. But once you remove everything, everything's basically accessible. You can see all the wires there. So, sorry for the lighting conditions. Basically, you have to splice 5 wires. I actually bought these blue splice pieces, quick splices. They allow you to splice wires together relatively easily. You don't have to cut them or strip them. You just basically clip 2 wires together. And there are 5 wires on the 2000s Camry Hybrid. The wire colors are basically blue means the brake, yellow with gray dots mean left turn, green with gray dots mean right turn, the brown is the tail light, and the white and black stripes with gray dots are the ground wires. And for the Hopkins, this means that you basically have to connect the blue wire from the Toyota to the red wire on the converter kit, the yellow with green dots from the Toyota to the yellow wires on the converter kit, and then the green wires with gray dots with the green wires from the converter kit, and then the brown wire from the car to the brown wires on the converter kit. And then there's also the white ground wire to the white wire on the converter kit. So basically there you have it. I basically just glued mine to the inside of the frame so it doesn't move around, and I kind of tied some of the wires back. The instructions say that you have to connect the green right turn wire from the converter kit to the right side of the car, but you actually don't have to do that. All the wires run along the left side. So there you have it. Hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, I spent some time looking on the internet for information and couldn't find anything. Everything was like you had to buy a kit specifically for a Camry and then plug everything in. So this is more for the universal kit. If you have any questions, just leave some comments below. Thank you.